So next we're going to look at how to define a matrix in Python, and how to do matrix multiplication or product of two matrices. So in Python, if we want to work with matrix, we need to import Numpy. So this is Numpy. We need to import Numpy. Okay. And to define a matrix, for example, a matrix looks like this. Here, a matrix with 2 rows and 2 columns. So the first row is 1, 2, and the second row is 3, 4, and the second matrix is 5, 6, 7, 8 with the same size. Let's say matrix A we can define by numpy.array. Then inside here we put in 2 square brackets, and inside here we have a comma. The data for the first row need to be inside this one, and the data for the second row need to be inside this one. So here we put in 1 and 2, and the second row is 3 and 4. It looks like that. Sometimes we can put it like this to see it better. So that is the first matrix. The second matrix, we can copy the first one and we input the second one, which is 5, 6, 7, 8 here. And then we have A and B are 2 matrices. So if we multiply A by B, we're going to have a element-wise multiplication. That means the first one will multiply by the second one. The first element multiplied by the first element in the second matrix. So like 1 multiplied by 5, we have 5 here. 2 multiplied by 6, we have 12 here. 1 multiplied by 7, we have 7 here. Similar, we have 8 here. Actually we have 32 here. If we want to do matrix multiplication, we need to use numpy.math09, and we put in 2 matrices like that. So this is matrix multiplication result of matrix A and matrix B. Okay. And we also have another way, which is dot product of 2 matrices. It's actually matrix multiplication. So we have numpy dot, then we put in A and B, and we will have the same result. So matrix or math is the same as dot product. And that is of how to define a matrix in Python and do some simple matrix multiplication using Python.